Huzzah! And welcome back to Nightingale Plays Pokemon Fire Red. When we last left off, I kicked this bug trainer's butt, and I was also lost in the Viridian Forest, which is actually kind of embarrassing. But either way, I also decided to level up Pikachu some more. I think she was level 6 when we stopped last time, which was quite a bit lower than everybody else, so I felt that needed to happen. But it looks like this is actually close to the exit of the forest, so we won't be trapped here much longer. Caterpie! You know, I've never actually seen that many caterpillars in real life. And not all of them are green. I've actually never seen a green caterpillar before. And they're a lot more furry. I don't know, is Weedle supposed to be a caterpillar too? It's weird. And poor Caterpie fainted. It was for the betterment of Pikachu, so it's okay. Did you know that Pokemon evolve? No, I didn't. That's why I still have a Charmander, I guess. You know, Metapod really does look sad and depressed. It shouldn't. Metapod is a beast. Okay. Oh, no, okay, it's good to keep Pikachu out against Metapod. Harden only raises defense, not special defense. Speaking of which, it's going to be really weird later on, because I don't know which moves are supposed to be special and which moves are physical. They don't even tell you. Like, yes, I do want to switch. I don't know who's coming out, but Pidgey's a safe assumption since it's a bug catcher. Okay, Caterpie. Ew. That'd be disgusting. At least in this game they don't have animations for when the Pokemon faint. And I'm still kind of... Some of the fainting animations in X and Y aren't bad. Like, they don't make you want to cry when you see them. Some of them do. I can honestly say this is much better than having to fight the guy with 6 Magikarp. 6 Magikarp. They're just... why? Who was the guy at Game Freak that they gave the okay to make, in every game, the guy with 6 Magikarp? Maybe that's like a position that they give people. Like, you get promoted and your sole job is to figure out where and when to put the guy with 6 Magikarp in the game. And then make every trainer terrified to talk to fishermen. And that's actually genius, because you have to talk to fishermen in order to get the rods, too. I'm sensing a conspiracy. Okay, yeah, I'm pretty sure this is... You can't catch a Pokemon that belongs to someone else. I'm actually quite surprised at the number of people who have tried the first time they played to steal other people's Pokemon. The rush is... I want to get out of this forest. I'm 80% sure I missed a ton of awesome items, like more stupid antidotes, but I don't want to be in this forest for more than 2 episodes. Oh, level 9 Weedle. That's kind of terrifying. And Weedle's gone. Poor guy. Yes, I know. It'd be sad if I wasn't good at this. Goodbye. And we made it! Yay! It only took us almost 6 minutes. Hello? Yes, the skinny trees can be... Okay, yep, I knew that. Thank you. Yes, I do. Wait a minute. Okay, do you know the evolution cancel technique? And what if you don't? She doesn't actually tell you how to do it. That's funny. Okay, Pewter City. Okay, there's no way that I would ever be able to defeat Brock if I went in now. The only way I think I could ever even handle Brock is if Charmander learns Metal Claw, and I don't know what level Charmander does learn Metal Claw. So... I might have to do that at a later point. So in the meantime, let's just explore Pewter City. Oh. That's actually quite melodious. Melodious is a funny word. It sounds like it's a negative thing. Like... I don't know. I know there's a word similar. Oh well. That's nice of you. That's funny. I heard somewhere that Clefairy was actually supposed to be the mascot for Pokemon instead of Pikachu. Okay, so Little Man says Team Rocket's at Mount Moon. What's my profile? Yes. What's your profile? I am a Pokemon friend. Cancel. Yes. I'm not gonna mess around with that. Yes, I am fickle. Thank you for noticing. How nice of you. Let's go to the museum. For a... Oh, ha! You think I'm a child? That's nice. Here. I'll gladly pay the child's fee. Are you like one of those old people who think they're dead already and talk about how great their life used to be? Like you're... Yeah, that's you. This isn't even a dragon. You really are old. Kabutops is cool. Why do you have a space shuttle in a fossil museum? Interesting. You uncultured swine? Of course there's something special about the Moonstone. July 20th, 1969. Old people amuse me, even in video games. Oh, crap. I gotta pause it. Farewell, and see you next time for another adventure.